Today is day 3 of my hair. I washed it on Thursday. Today is Saturday, so that's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it is just a flat, not so pretty hairstyle. Plus, it's really humid today here in Florida, and I went out, ran some errands. My stylist actually just cut my bangs and fringe right here in between haircuts. And I came home and I was like, oh, I would love to wash my hair, but I don't have time to wash my hair. I want to get a little bit more time out of this hair wash from Thursday. I'd like to get at least till tomorrow. So what I normally do would go in, I would blow it dry some more. Maybe I may use my Shark Flex Style some more, or I'd go into one of my hair tools. I have had these two forever. This is a curling iron, and then this is a straightener. I have had a love-hate with this since I purchased it. This is a Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro, and it's never been a good straightener. I don't know if I got a lemon, but I don't even know why I've still kept it. So this has got to get thrown away. I don't even think it's good enough to be given away because it just doesn't work and it doesn't do what I want. And then I usually go in with this curling iron, and this is, sorry, it's a little loud. What is this? I think it's the same thing. I think it's one of the, I can't even see a name on it. Oh, here it is. This is the Nano Titanium, and this is again by Baby Bliss. So I must have really liked this brand. I like this, but I decided to upgrade my hairstyler with a new product. So I just got the new Lange Grande. Now this has a 360 degrees twirling. It has this great cord. Isn't this awesome? The cord goes like this, and then it has airflow that comes through these holes. It's the coolest thing ever. And then we have right down here, if you can see it, you've got the power, we've got the different temperatures, and then an on and off for the airflow right there. And it's got this really good clip, and it straightens and curls your hair. So this is a 2-in-1. I can get rid of both of those and just use this. I am so excited to get this mess looking really good with this. I thought I would do it with you and show you what it looks like and show you how I'm gonna use this to create a new look midway through wash days. So if you're ready, let's go do this. The other thing you definitely need is one of these heat-proof mats. So I'm gonna put that right here. I'm gonna turn on my styler. So it heats up pretty fast. I did test it out. Come on, let's go on. So it's gonna get this on. I just turn it on and you can you hear it? It's this light noise, so hopefully that won't bother while we're doing our hair. And then the directions say to spray your dry hair with a heat protectant spray. So this is called the Rival Heat Shield. So I'm gonna try this one today. This is one of their products. And so I'm just gonna blow it in, spray it into my hair. And then I'm just gonna brush it in. And it's just to get, it smells really nice. Okay, so spray this all in your hair, and I'm just gonna brush it through. And section off my hair. Because we need to definitely do it in sections. So what I'm gonna do is, once I start this, I will speed it up so you don't have to watch the whole process. What I'm gonna do is put most of my hair up and do it in sections. I like to do it kind of like this. Okay, and then I like to do small sections because I have pretty thick hair. What you want to do is you want to clip it and then rotate it like this. I like to hold it sort of straight and then pull it out. Again, you can hold the end if you really want to, but the coolest thing is that you can curl and straighten your hair at the same time. There you go. And the airflow keeps the curls, because it cools it down, in between. So let's do this. And this is a big section, so I'm going to break it into a few like this. And I like to twist it like this. Hold it straight up and down, and you should be able to just pull it out like that. Isn't that cool? And if you don't want it to curl at the end, then just hold the end and no go all the way through. Don't pass it through. But I like to curl it back like this. Just hold it for a second. Pull it like that. And there you have it. It's so easy. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my head, and I'll speed it up and show you. Whoop. There we go. Isn't that neat? It's so great. So I will continue to do this, and I'll speed it up so you can watch the process, but you don't have to listen to the airflow, and I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to time myself so that we have an idea of time as well. So hold on. Next time you see me, it'll be speeding up, and then I'll stop when I'm done. That's it. Let's see, how long did that take? That took about not even 10 minutes, which is so great. So this is how it turned out. I did have to go through a few passes for a few of them. So let me just roll this around so you can see the back. I don't have a mirror behind me, so I'm gonna have to check this out when I see it in the video. And that is so much better than it was before. And so what I like to do is just run my hands through it, right? Kind of loosen it up. I'm gonna take some of this is the Heavenly Hair Gloss. I'm gonna take a few pumps of that and run it through it. And it already feels so much better because it got the fuzz and the frizz out. It feels so much nicer. And I'm just gonna put this in here on my temples where it's so fuzzy. And this is just such a great way to get a new look halfway through your wash days. And then just, you know, it can pull out and get softer and, you know, just style it like that. It's as easy as that. I am a total fan. This is a 2-in-1 hairstyling. It's amazing. It takes a little bit of time to get used to using it and then twisting it and then pulling it through your hair, but it's super lightweight. I love the fact that the cord is like a 360 cord, and I am going to junk the 2 other products that I have, the 2 other stylers, because this is such a better tool. I think technology has changed so much over the years. It was time that I caught up, and I love this. It also comes in a smaller version so that if you have really short hair, you could use that as well. You don't have to have the fan on if you don't want. I love that it just cools your hair as it comes out. Now, I need to play with this more, but I love how simple and easy it is. So if you like this product, check down below because I'll link everything that I used in this video. Thank you so much for being here. If you did like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow along. You'll get notified when new videos go up, and I will have makeup and hair videos and all the things. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.